Dear friends, this video we are specially prepared for how to take Trichospire Hair Kit, the dosage and direction of use. Now this is the Trichospire Hair Kit box. When you open the box, you can see there are six types of boxes are there. Trichospire 1, Trichospire 2, Trichospire 3, Trichospire 4, Trichospire 5 and Trichospire 6. And you can see the upper side of this box, the direction of Trichospire Hair Kit. Which day you need to take, which tablet you need to take. So you can see on Monday you need to take one capsule from Trichospire 1 and one tablet from Trichospire 2. On Monday, one capsule and one tablet from Trichospire 1 and 2. Both capsule and tablet you need to take together only, but after breakfast, or you can take after dinner. The second, Tuesday you need to take one tablet from Trichospire 3 and one tablet from Trichospire 4. On Wednesday you need to take one capsule from Trichospire 5 and one capsule from Trichospire 6. On Thursday you need to take one capsule from Trichospire 1 and one tablet from Trichospire 2. On Friday, Trichospire 3 tablet and Trichospire 4 tablet. On Saturday, you take Trichospire 5 capsule and Trichospire 6 capsule. So every day you need to take 2 tablet or capsule as per this direction after dinner or after breakfast, but both together. And one more thing, the Sunday there is no medicine. So Sunday no medicine from any box. So if you regularly take this tablet as per the given direction, this box lasts for 1 month. Done? Thank you very much.